Times Square in New York. Times Square is a bustling commercial and entertainment hub located in the heart of Manhattan in New York City. It is known for its bright lights, huge billboards, and giant screens, making it one of the most iconic and recognizable places in the world. Times Square is the site of the annual New Year's Eve ball drop, which attracts millions of visitors each year. It is also home to many theaters, including Broadway theaters, and is a popular destination for tourists looking to catch a show. In addition to the theaters, Times Square features many shops, restaurants, and hotels. Visitors can explore the area on foot, taking in the sights and sounds of this bustling neighborhood. It is also a popular spot for street performers and artists, who add to the lively atmosphere. Overall, Times Square is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to New York City, offering a unique and unforgettable experience that captures the energy and excitement of the city. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates.